Hi, welcome to this video. In this video, I am going to explain how to convert this image into AutoCAD 2020 format. Before that, we have to analyze what are the tools we have to use to draw this drawing. First, I am going to explain what are the drawing tools we have to use. Drawing tools we have to use first one, line, circle and hatch tool. Next, modify tool. Modify tool, mostly we have to use move, rotate, trim and extend, copy, mirror, fillet and also polar array. In annotation, we have to use some tools. First one, linear, radius and diameter. In this drawing, here, this is the reference line. So, first I am going to explain how I plan to draw this drawing. First of all, I have to draw this reference line. Then I am going to draw this R16 circle. After that, I will draw this R21, then R32, then R40. I draw this reference line. Now I have reference line. Then I am going to change this line type. Select this and go to layer, change as center. Here first I have to draw this R16 circle. Click on center radius, then click on center point and give the radius as 16. Then click on center radius, give the radius as 21. Enter. Next also circle, click on circle center radius, click on center, then give 32 radius. Now we have 16, 21, 32 radius circles. Next one, R40 circle, this one. So click on circle and center radius, click on center and give 40. You already drawn these circles. 1, 2, 3, 4 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 circles we draw. I have to draw this object. Before that, I have to give this offset. From center, this angle will be 60. Why? We have 6 objects, so 360 divided by 60 is equal to 6, so that these objects are 60-degree angle. Here, for my reference, I am going to change this color. Now, I know that this object will be trimmed. Now, I am going to draw a 30 degree from here to here. So, I already selected line, so click on this center point. Then I have to draw the 30 degree angle. The easy way, click on this polar and select 30 degree angle. Now I can track the point as 60. Here I can find 30 degree angle. Click. Now I have drawn this line. Now I am going to offset this side 3 and this side 3. Why? Because here the spacing is 6. So click on offset and enter the value as 3 and enter. This side and that side also 6. So here 3 is spacing, here 3 is spacing and enter. Now I am going to trim, so click on trim tool and activate to select these objects and enter. Now I can trim it, click on this, click on this, click on this, click on this. Delete. Now I have drawn my one object. So click on match properties and click on this line and change the color. Now I have object. Here we have 6 objects. So easy way is we are going to use polar array. So go to array, click on polar array. Select this object. and enter. Click on center point and enter. Now we have 6. How we can check? Click on this and go to here, items. Here 6 objects are there and between 60 angle. Then press escape. If you want, you can explode it. Click on this array and go to home and click on explode. Now I have exploded that object. Now I am going to enter this value. So here I have to offset this side 60 and that side 60. Click on offset, then enter the value as 60, enter. Pick this line and go to this side and this side, enter. Here from this center, this side 20 and this circle center is 20. So total is 70, here 50. First I am going to draw that 50 line. Click on offset and enter the value as 50 and enter. Pick this line and drag and drop. Here I have those lines. Now I am going to extend this. So click on this tool and extend. Click this line and enter. Select this part and this part. Now I have extended those objects to here. Now I am going to draw here the circle. This circle is R50. So click on circle center radius. Click on this point and enter the value as 15, enter. Then enter this point, enter. Enter this point, enter. Enter this point, enter. Now I have drawn these circles. Here next object is a circle. Here the spacing is 70. So click on offset and enter the value as 70 and enter. Pick this line and click it here. Now I have to draw this circle. Click on this center radius. Click here and enter. Pick this point and enter. Now I have drawn those circles in R50. Next I am going to enter the circle as R21. So click on circle, click on center radius. Pick this point and enter the value as 21, enter. Then you can copy. Click on this circle and click copy. And pick the center and go to every center. Enter. Now I have drawn those objects. Now I don't want these reference lines. So I can select it and delete it. Here I have to use fillet command to join this object. So click on fillet, then radius as 20 here. Enter. Click on trim. Click this circle and click this circle. Then re-enter. Click this circle and click this circle. Now I have drawn those R20. Re-enter, click this object and click this object. Re-enter, click this object and click this object. Now I have 4 arcs in radius 20. Now I am going to draw these tangent points. Click on line, go to pick a point. Then shift plus right click, go to tangent. Select this point and enter. Here something not smooth. So click on this line and pick this point and right click, go to tangent. Now you can find out the tangent point. Now I have that tangent point. Click on mirror, select this object and go to this plane and enter. Now I have mirrored this one and other side also I can mirror it. My objects completed. Now I am going to trim which are the objects I don't need. So click on trim and enter. Now all objects are selected. Now I don't want to this object, this object, this object, this object and enter. My drawing is already done. Before that I am going to give the radius and linear commands. So click on annotation and click on linear. Click on this center point and click on this center point and come out here. Enter center point, this side. Now you have 60 distance. In this case I have to find this distance value. Here 20, here 50. And also I can give the direct distance from here. Next I am going to give this distance 6. If you want you can adjust it by this tracking point, then you can adjust it. Next I am going to give the radius values. Click on this tool and click on radius. This point, this and this value. Here I have some circles. Here I have drawn this object. First of all, what are the tools we need? Drawing tool, modify tool and annotation tool. Please subscribe my channel and get new updates of AutoCAD tutorials.